Welcome back to another episode. So today I'm going to see how many hooks I can make out of this piece of steel in 2 hours. And I'll just sell them on eBay or something, just see how much money I can make really. And let's get forward to it. So today I'm just going to try and make some simple J hooks. Right, time to start is 1:45. Back in. I'd say that's a good enough end. Right, time to bend it now. We're 10 minutes in. Oh yeah, I forgot I was going to do a twist first. I think that's a nice little twist. Cool, that's the first twist in this vise. Now it's time to cut it off. Ah, the strings are hot. Cool, right, that's off. Where do I put this? Here. Right, I'll just get a bit more heat on this. melting. I think that's the first hook finished. The hole just needs to be drilled now. Okay, that one took 25 minutes. I won't film the next one. I finished another one. The end of it melted again because I was texting my brother to get me a drink of water, and I spent like 10 seconds getting it in and out the fire and it was melted. Oh well. Pretty similar to the first one, like nearly the exact same. Nearly. But it's close enough. Forge is going strong today. Look at that. To be fair, the fire pot's probably melting. I'll turn it down a bit. Right, on to the next hook. I'll film this one. I'll film every other one. And we are 45 minutes in, and we've got 2 hooks. I'm going to flip the anvil around so that the chisel is on the other side. It doesn't get in the way of my hammer hand. I've still not got me a drink. Ah, this is better. Fire's bit up quite dirty. I don't like that one. I'm going to scrap this one. We're an hour in, 2 hooks. Could have been 3 if I didn't have to clean up the reject. Start myself again. Oh, gotta take my earmuffs off, it's too hot out here. still got 45 minutes, so yeah, that should be time to get another one done. 8 minutes left on the battery. I'm going to save that for the last bits of the large hook and the outro, so see you then. For this one, I forgot to turn it round. I kind of like the square profile, so I'm sticking with that. I'm just getting it ready for the twist. I know this bit is too cold, but I can't be bothered to stick it in the forge. I'll get ready for the twist now. Right, I think I'm going to do a few more twists on this one because it's bigger. Cool, I really like that one. Right, time to cut it off. I'll fit room for 2 nails on this one. I'll try not to deform the twist too much. There we go, that's much better. Make this a bit wider. And that is the forging done. Right, for quality reasons, I'm going to drill the holes, not punch them. But yeah, I'm impressed. I got 5 hooks done. In 2 hours. And all the ones that I wanted to be similar are pretty similar. One of them's a bit short, but yeah, I just cut that one too short. You can see which one I mean. That one melted a bit, and so did that one. And all the hook parts are fairly even. The camera battery died, so I've just had to take it inside. I'm really happy with the hooks, to be honest. This one, like I said, I forgot to round it, and I think it's turned out my favourite, to be honest. I squared up the rest of it and put a little kink in it because it wasn't sitting flush, so it pokes out a bit. And yeah, they're all pretty similar. There's only a little bit of variation, but not too much. Really happy with it. I'm going to drill some holes because if I punched it I probably wouldn't be good enough to sell. And this one, there's enough room for 2 holes, so it'll be stronger. And I'll get some linseed oil on this. I might just put a short, just showing you that. And yeah, really happy with the result. Got 5 done in 2 hours, 3 minutes to spare, and see you in the next one. Bye.